It's now time for Honk the car, Toot the boat, and Swo Swoosh the helicopter in another of their happy adventures. It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning, sheep. Morning, baby pigs. Morning, Swo Swoosh the helicopter. Look, there's Honk the car. Today, Honk has a very important job to do. Oh dear, look at all that mess. Someone broke the rules and dumped their rubbish in Springland. Morning, Honk, says Swo Swoosh. What a mess! Uh-huh. It is very wrong to throw rubbish on the ground. Swo Swoosh was right, but who is going to help clean it all up? The animals will help Honk and Swo Swoosh clean up Springland. Hey, where are you going, Swo Swoosh? You also need to help, calls Honk. I'll be right back, calls Swo Swoosh.
Okay, everybody, let's get this mess cleaned up already,
calls Croak the frog. When it comes to cleaning up, all the animals in Springland work as a team. Working together makes hard work such fun. Who is going to help Honk take all this rubbish to the rubbish dump? Look, everybody! Swo Swoosh went to fetch his lifting harness. That's very clever, Swo Swoosh, calls Honk. Someone has to take all this mess far away, says a very proud Swo Swoosh. There's Toot the boat. I see everyone is doing their share of the hard work. Well done, calls Toot. Make sure you don't drop any of that, calls Toot. We don't want any more mess in Springland. Don't worry, Toot. I won't drop a single paper, calls Swo Swoosh. Honk, where is Swo Swoosh taking all that rubbish? Bleats Lolly the lamb. That's a very good question, Lolly, says Honk. All the rubbish is dumped far away from where people and animals live. Honk was right. Rubbish is dirty and can make people and animals very sick. Swo Swoosh is taking the rubbish far away. Swo Swoosh knew just where to dump the mess. In a rubbish container far away from Springland. At last, Springland was clean again and it was time for a little rest. Remember to keep your own home nice and clean. Have fun, everybody.